In this video, I'll be teaching you how to pay monthly with Klarna. It's very quick and easy, so follow along. Klarna is a payment service that lets you split your purchases into installments instead of paying all at once. You have several payment options. Pay in 4. Your purchase is split into 4 interest-free payments, charged automatically every 2 weeks. Pay over time. You can spread your payments over 6 to 12 months with a small interest rate depending on the plan, or you can simply pay in full within 30 days. For example, if you buy something worth $2,000, using Pay in 4 means you'll pay $500 every 2 weeks with zero interest. If you choose a 6-month plan, the total cost will be around $2,118 with about $118 in interest. And if you choose a 12-month plan, you'll pay around $2,223 total, meaning a bit more interest the longer the plan. So, the longer you take to pay, the more interest you'll pay overall. You can log into your Klarna account anytime to track your payments and estimated costs.